Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2016 Mazda CX-5. On this Mazda CX-5 we are going to show you where an emergency latch release for your fuel door and where that's located. So to operate this fuel door or to open it, this is a cable driven one, so most likely this will never be the issue, but this is a cable driven one. What you do, so generally to operate it or open it, we have the release lever right here, and you would pull that and it pulls a cable that will release and open it. Let's say for whatever reason your button has broken down here, or somewhere the cable has worn out and broken, and so it won't able to release the door. There is an access panel that we can get into from the back in the trunk to be able to open that door manually. So to first you'll need to pop the hatch and get into the hatch, and right inside here we have a cover here, and we just push a small screwdriver in there to pop the clips that are holding the cover on, and then we'll be able to pull this cover off. And then when you pull the cover off, you'll be able to reach right back in here, follow this black cable and reach up, and you have a finger hold here that you can pull on, and that will open the exterior door to be able to release it from the inside here. It was released, I closed it. Now I'm just going to pull that latch in from inside and we can see that door. So I got my finger on the thumb cover there, or the finger pull, and then we pull that, and that manually will release and open up this fuel door so that you can put fuel in your vehicle in case your cable has broken or the switch up front is broken. You have a manual way to get in to be able to actuate that to open it until you can repair that piece. Thank you for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.